How to change Instagram notes color to red or pink. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the message icon given at the top right corner. You'll be directed to the message page. Instagram brings different effects for any of the occasion. For the Valentines as well, it has brought this color changing effect for the note. Likewise, for the conversation, let me show you. Click on Add Note option. Now type in anything that you want to add in your note. Along with your note, drop some heart of any color. Then share it. Your note will turn into the pink color. Your note will get this kind of effect. Likewise, for the conversation as well, you'll need to do the same. Type in anything, but make sure you include the heart icon and then send it. You'll get the heart effect reaction in your conversation as well. So this way you are able to change Instagram notes color to red or pink. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.